How to fix Google Chrome high memory usage. So if you want to fix your Google Chrome high memory usage, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need simply go with the upper right, which has that three dots of your Google Chrome, and then go with settings. Now under settings here, you need to go with performance. Under performance, you will have the memory section right here. So make sure that your memory saver is on, and once your memory saver is on, then Chrome frees up. So if your memory saver is on, then Chrome frees up memory from inactive tabs. This gives active tabs and other apps more computer resources and keeps Chrome fast. Your inactive tabs automatically becomes active again when you go back to them. This might fix your Google Chrome high memory usage. The next thing you need to do is you can go with the upper right, which has that three dots again, and then go with the extensions. And here you need to go with manage extensions. And if you've added any extensions, then you just need to simply go and remove all of the extensions, which might fix your problem. Or the next thing you need to do is again go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and then go with delete browsing data. And from here you need to select all time and go with delete data. And after that, all the browsing data will be deleted, and this might also fix your memory usage. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.